One of the difficulties you may come across when drawing a floor plan from the inside is how to locate the correct position of an adjoining room in relation to the one you've already drawn. In this example, if room 1 is drawn first and then you go through the door to room 2, you could measure the distance from the wall corner to door in room 1 and then the same in room 2, and then subtract measurement 2 from measurement 1. This would tell you where room 2's wall should start in relation to room 1. This works perfectly well, but it's a little cumbersome. Instead, you could measure room 2 as normal, drawing it separately from room 1, and then use the door snap function to place them together. To do this, just make sure that the door in each room has been accurately replaced. Select one of them, and then the Snap Room From icon. Next, select the other door and select Snap Room To. The two doors will snap together to become one, and the rooms will reorientate to join correctly. This function can also be used on windows in exactly the same way.